So, you've got an idea. Maybe it's a portfolio site, a new e-commerce store, or a landing page for your startup. You're ready to build, but you don't have weeks to spend on development. This is where Lunar comes in. We've designed a platform that prioritizes speed and simplicity without sacrificing power. Let's do a quick run-through. Right after you sign up, you're presented with a clean dashboard. No clutter, no confusing menus. You can start with a template or dive right into a blank canvas. Let's pick a template. We've got hundreds of them, all professionally designed and fully customizable. I'm going to grab this one for a fictional coffee shop. Within seconds, the site structure is there. Now, for the content. You can drop in your own images, change the text, and adjust the layout. Watch how fast this is. I'm replacing the hero image with one of my own. It just takes a click. I'm changing the headline and tweaking the font style. The visual editor gives you instant feedback. No need to preview, no long waits for pages to load. What about functionality? Let's add in a contact us form. A drag and drop component makes that easy. It's ready to go and fully integrated. Let's also add a small gallery to showcase some products. Again, just a few clicks. Now, for publishing. This is the part that usually takes the longest. With Lunar, it's a single button. You hit publish, and your site is live. Instantly. We handle all the hosting, the performance optimization, everything. You don't have to worry about a thing. So, from a fresh sign-up to a fully functional, live website, it took less time than brewing a cup of coffee. That's the power of Lunar. It's not just about building a website, it's about launching your ideas into the world at the speed of thought.